Hi comrades, yours Kayveeyes. Recently, a very good judgment was delivered by the Delhi High Court, confirming the earlier decision of the Telangana High Court as well as the Supreme Court decision on RTPs. It directs to extend the similar benefits to all the erstwhile RTPs, and there is no need for each and everyone to approach the court for remedy and redressal. Around 300 former RTPs of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana circuit have filed OAs in Hyderabad CAT during 2012-13, challenging the Directorate order issued during 2012 denying the service benefits to erstwhile RTPs. The Honorable CAT Hyderabad had allowed the OA and directed to extend not only the back wages but also the service for all purposes including MACP, pensionary benefit, etc. Likewise, 6 to 7 central administrative tribunals have given favourable judgments in the cases of erstwhile RTPs. 2 times the Supreme Court has dismissed the SLPs and the applicants were granted the benefit instead of all in those cases. The department has filed writ petition in Hyderabad High Court under WP number 17400 of 2016, 17425 of 2016, challenging the CAT directions during 2016. The writ petition was also dismissed on 27th February 2023. Thereafter, the department has filed the SLP in the Apex Court in January 2024, challenging the High Court orders. On 5/2/2024, the Supreme Court has dismissed the SLP number 1868 of 2024 filed by the Postal Department against the order dated 27/2/2023, stating it is not interfere with the impugned judgment. In the Directorate order dated 15/5/2024, it is being implemented to Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Chhattisgarh circles only. That too only to the applicants of the court case. It has not been extended to all the similarly situated officials. It was extended only to the officials who approached the courts. The Principal CAT Delhi, in its OA number 3466 of 2019, has passed orders in September 2023 itself to implement the Hyderabad CAT judgment with all the consequential benefits. Now it is a good news. Recently, the High Court of Delhi has dismissed the appeal filed by the Postal Department in WPs number 7301 and 7412 of 2025 on 27/5/2025. On 27th May 2025, recently, the Delhi Court has dismissed the appeal filed by the Postal Department. The department has pointed out the Madras High Court WP 1373 of 2021, which was dismissed on the grounds of delay and laches. It was the most adverse judgment delivered by the Madras High Court in writ number 1373 of 2021, as if it was filed belatedly and the official has not approached the court in time. Actually, it was dismissed on the grounds of delay and also the laches. The Delhi High Court observed on the question of delay and laches, we again find no merit in the petition and relied in the orders passed by the High Court of Telangana in WP number 17400 of 2016, which was dismissed in SLP and held that the respondents would be entitled to have their services for RTP periods. The court further observed that there was no justification for denying the same to the respondents. Finally, it is observed that the judgment in this case would apply in rem and not personam, and therefore the benefit should have been extended by the petitioner to all the similarly situated personnel. A very pertinent point. Almost in the previous judgments, there was no mention about the judgment in rem, but in this case, it was very specifically mentioned on 27/5/2025 by the Delhi High Court that the judgment is in rem and it should be applied for the similarly situated officials. The Government and Postal Department, as a model employer, should accept the judgment and extend the same to all the similarly situated erstwhile RTPs. Our attention is drawn to the recently held the standing committee meeting with the National Council JCM with the staff side, in which it was assured that the government is committed to avoid unnecessary litigations. If it's so, it has to implement the judgment to all the similarly situated RTP personnels, and they should not be tossed from pillar to post for getting justice from this court to that court, thereafter another court like this. They should be rendered with justice. The Delhi High Court judgment is a very fantastic judgment and it should be honored by the department. That is our wish. I am requesting the P3CHU. You can kindly present the judgment to the principal CAT and see that it should be applicable to all the similarly situated person and get a direction from the principal CAT to implement the same to all. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much, comrade. Meet again.